Hey, what's up? We're doing this gradebook assignment. First off, I'm just going to place the chart below. I don't know why you have to do that exactly, but next I'm going to highlight my names and I'm going to make a table with them. That way I can put the names in alphabetical order. So after that, you add autofillers and then all your formulas and stuff. So the first formula I'm going to look at is quiz average. Now what you're going to do is hit the formulas and hit auto sum and click average. And from there you can pick the names of the ones you want. Oops, wrong button. Trying to figure out what in the world is going on. There we go. And it autofills the rest of them in for you, which is super neat. Makes it a lot quicker. Okay, you can do the same thing again for the test average over here. Hit average. That one. And I'm holding, if you hold shift in a direction, it goes to the next cell that you need. By the way, in case you were wondering. Gosh, I don't know why it made that percentage like that. So I'm gonna select them all and hit format cells. I want it as a number because it's just an average. So I'll hit general, and that changed that back to the regular numbers that it is, and it autofills all of them in for you. Okay, so total points, if you add them all up, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 550 plus 50. No, 50 plus 100 is 150, so this is actually 650. I don't know why. Change it to 650. Okay, so now we have to sum up all the total points that each person has scored. So we're just going to hit sum for this one. And this one, this one, this one. Go ahead and select all the actual scores. Oops. Whoa. Okay, let's go ahead and delete all of that. I don't know what happened. I want to just be able to pick which ones I want. For some reason, since it's doing that, I'm going to have to refix it. Column 10, 11, and extra credit. Okay, so now we got everybody's total points. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out their actual score in the class. So we'll click on that, and if you hit equals, the equal sign, it does a formula. So what I'm going to do is click that and then divide it by 650 because that's the total. Make sure you put your parentheses to close out the formula, and then it pulls up each person's actual percentage that they made in the class. And now from here we'll just start filling in all the averages. So once again, average, and looks like it's already there. So once you get that, you can click that and drag this little arrow in the corner, drag all the way across, and it automatically fills in everybody's information. Now I want to hit this one. I want it to be a percentage. So I'm going to hit Format Cells, go down to Percentage, and go no decimal places. It pulls up 79%. So now that we got all of those in, we are going to add a header. So let's see how that goes. Header and footer. Whoa. So left section, I guess we could just hit 205. Wait. Gradebook. KNES 205. And then we can have it over here. Oh, I can spell my name right. And that looks pretty good. So that's about it now. And then, you know, if you'd print it all out, you would have your, if you can go to print preview, let's see. If you look at what it would print, you know, it has your name at the top and Gradebook up here. You could just select what pages you wanted to print. But that's about it for this assignment.